Alright, so we're going to a quick video if you want to waterproof your bricks, wood, paving, driveways, even rendered surfaces really. I found this stuff, Thompson's water seal. It was about 20 quid from Screwfix. I've cleaned these bricks and I've best I can repointed them. It's an old house, and what I don't want them doing is only water getting in the bricks, freezing, then cracking the bricks. You've all seen it, and the wind whistling around. So this seemed to me like a real cheap solution. Already put some on. It looks like watered down PVA. I'm sure it isn't. Basically, I'll put it in a tub and I'm just going to brush it on. But
should we look at the back of the can?
Yeah. So the main claim it makes is protects against rain damage.
Okay.
Before we start, we've done that, give it a stiff, we've done all that, cleaned it all up, and it's had a good shake, etc. And literally, I'm brushing it on. I've got plenty of it, so I'm not too worried about how much I put on, if I'm honest.
So if you're thinking about buying this particular product, Thompson's water seal, then that's what it looks like, and that's how it's going on to the bricks.
Because over a period of time, you can see here, these are old bricks, and there's one with the glaze on still, but it's the wind and the rain. So if you can put some on, it'll just protect it from damage. And then if obviously the water's not getting through the bricks, like I said, this stuff is, from what I understand, breathable. Keep stuff out, but let's sort of it breathe. Then this will help with damp and things as well. But obviously if it's running through all the time, and I think if you've probably got damp in your house a little bit over a period of time, the bricks will dry out inside as well. So this might be a bit of starting point. But
well, it says you can use it on all sorts of surfaces.
Even wet conditions, but if you've got a real problem with damp, and I knew somebody had, it's a bit cold for this today, but we were going to dig a little sort of trench, I suppose, about that wide, and just put some pea gravel in. That would help as well, just disperse any water. Apparently this stuff dries clear. I don't know if it stays this like glossy surface. It probably does as a coating.
But it covers well, doesn't it?
It's covering well. 5 litres is quite a lot. I guess you do your whole house with that, to be honest. I was saying about the gravel, you can see what. Yeah. And you apply it directly onto damp surfaces, which is interesting. So it must.
And it's definitely quick and easy to apply. It's not a thick. It's all.
No, we just get it done before the winter. It's one of these jobs that I've been meaning to do for ages. I haven't got around to doing. And
right,
so we've got so much. Yeah. I'm going to offer my neighbour some so he can do his as well. Yeah. Anyway, if you've got a bit damp and you want to protect your bricks, see down there, that's just rain damage over a period of time. So water damage, just erosion, especially got lashing gales. We're up north. It probably will help big time. Anyway, if this helps you along a little bit, help us along, and please subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.